Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Tracy. I'm back for another video and we're going to do another unboxing. Yes, unboxing time. Unboxing time for you guys. And this is the box that we're going to do unboxing for. And it's a tiny box. I think maybe it's a small bag, but we'll see. We'll find out if it's a small bag or not. And then let's proceed to our unboxing. I ordered this from coachoutlet.com and it's been sanitized, quarantined in my little corner, and I'm ready to unbox it. So let's start. Here you go. Here it is. Here it is. It's from coachoutlet.com and I have my receipt here and like a return slip if ever I don't like it. And let's see what I got. This is not a boutique bag, it's an outlet bag. So let's start unwrapping it. Ooh, it looks brand new, like, you know, like really packed. I mean, it's brand new from the factory, I think. So let's open. It's a crossbody bag. Ooh. It is tiny. Wow, it is tiny. I didn't expect this tiny. I thought it would be a little bigger than this. Let's remove this. There you go. You can see what it is now. I can't remember what's the name of this bag. I'm expecting like probably a little bigger, and this one looks tiny, but it's in pebbled leather. So let me continue unwrapping this bag. It has a shoulder strap here and a top handle. Let's remove that. And in the background you might hear the water running because my husband just arrived from work and he normally goes straight to the shower, so you might hear that, but we'll continue. I will still continue filming this video. Right now it's 3 in the afternoon, but the sun is not really shining so bright because of the haze that we're having right now. I'm from Washington State, and if you heard about the fire from California, Oregon, in Washington, yes, I'm from Washington State, so we're having wildfires in this past few days. So hopefully that will be contained soon, and then hopefully the rain will come soon, that it will help with this wildfire. But anyway, let's continue with this unwrapping. Let me put this strap in here, and let's remove the papers inside. Ooh. Oh, there's some like silica gels for moisture. Okay, this is it. This is the bag. Let me look again at my phone. So this is the Cassidy top handle crossbody, and its style number is 77897 in the color silver gray. Yeah, silver hardware, and this is gray. I don't know if showing, it's like a little taupe on the camera right now, but this is silver and gray. This is gray. Yes, I guess it's the light that I'm using. I cannot use the natural light right now because there's no natural light right now. It looks gloomy, even if it's not yet fall. But anyway, let me show you the bag. This is cute leather, pebbled leather. It has a top handle, like, you know, the Cassidy bag. Oh, I guess that's why they name it Cassidy. I'm not sure. I don't know the reason. I don't know if the inspiration of this bag is from the Coach Cassidy, but it looks like the top handle. The top handle looks like an inspiration from the Cassidy bag, but it doesn't really go flat. Yeah, it doesn't go flat. That's the design of the top handle, just like that. I think it's like more of the vintage court bag. I don't have a vintage court bag, but I'm browsing at pictures of that bag. It seems like the same as this one. I like the concept of the top handle. And the front has that big, or has a chunky leather hardware. And this is the side. And it's the back with a big slip pocket. Yes, big slip pocket. Let's try. I have an iPhone XS Max right here, and let's try. Let's try see if it fits the whole thing. Yep, it fits in there without a problem. And then the other side of the bag has a hang tag, but there's no D-ring. It's just a hang tag with it's a silver hardware hang tag, like a dog chain tag, kinda. Yeah, it's cute though. Look at that. And then the bottom of the bag has no feet. So this leather is soft pebbled leather. There you go. And then let's look at the inside of the bag. Has a Turnlock closure. Open it, and this one has microfiber, and the inside looks roomy inside. Oh, it has a slip pocket, one slip pocket at the back, and the Coach grid is there, and there's a front pocket as well with microfiber lining. Yep, it has microfiber lining. And this bag has this bag has gussets for the front compartment. Yes, let's put it in and close it again. The shoulder strap has a mixed chain, silver chain and leather. The shoulder strap has 7 adjustments, and that's, let's see what will fit inside. I'll just put the stuff that I normally bring in my everyday bag. So I have a wallet here, so let's put it in. I have a mini pochette. Let's put it there. You have to rearrange. So let's put the mini pochette. There you go. The mini pochette is inside. And then let's put this wallet. It fits in there. And my phone can go in the front pocket, in the front compartment. My battery is about to die, so that's what it looks like. Usually have this coupon, Hello Kitty coupon pouch with antibacterial wipes. Let's put it here. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It's too full. But anyway, let's just remove that. And I have my car keys. So what I have right now is a mini pochette, my wallet, and my phone in here. If I remove my phone, I can probably put this at the front. Oh, it would not fit as well. This one would not fit. Let's see if the mini pochette will fit at the front. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't fit there. So we'll put it back to the way it is. So there's my pom-pom, and there you go. Here's the bag, and my battery is about to die. Would like to do a quick mod shots on this bag. Okay, so it's on the middle setting right now, and this is what it looks like. Shoulder bag. Let me remove the card case so it doesn't bother you with the pom-pom. So this is what it looks like if you're wearing it, shoulder bag. Then for a crossbody bag, this is how it looks like. It sits perfectly on my hips. The length is perfect. I don't need to adjust the setting here. It's on the middle setting, middle hole. This is what it looks like. So this is a cute bag. It can be worn winter, spring, summer, or fall. Yep, any season because of the color. It's also good for fall, like fall is coming soon and I can still use this one, and it's also good during springtime and even winter time. So this is, I think this is a very versatile bag that we can use all year round. And yes, this is a keeper. I'm keeping this bag. If you have questions about this bag, please write a comment down below. That's it for our video today. I hope you enjoyed watching our unboxing today with this Cassidy top handle bag. I hope you give love and support to my channel by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.